So because I knew I was going to get asked how this hair straightens, that's why I'm in the process of straightening for you guys so that I can show you. But this is the side that has already been straightened, and this is the side that's still left alone in its natural state. You guys can pretty much see the difference. It straightens really beautifully. At most, I'm only doing about 2 passes for each strand of hair. It's taking me a little bit of time to straighten it, but it's not taking me like forever. This is kinky straight hair, so it's not going to get bone straight, but it does press out really nicely to where it just looks super natural. Now that I've done this side, I'm going to go ahead and go off camera and do the remaining side, and then I'll come back. As you guys can see, the texture is not gone even though I straighten this hair. This hair has just been so lovely. Like, this is, if I could say, out of the 2 textures of headband wigs that I've tried so far, this would be the one that I would say you guys get this one. Like, this one is so versatile, and I feel like it will look great on everyone. Yes, the curly ones are nice, and yes, the straight ones are nice too, but this one, it just does something different. Now, I had every intention to wand curl this hair because I wanted you guys to see that it holds a curl. However, today in lovely sunny California, it's 111 degrees today, and this is kinky straight hair. So I already know once I go outside, it's over for this hair. Like, it's just going to puff back up and go right back to how it looked once it was freshly washed and air dried. So I'm like, why bother curling it just for me to go outside and the hair gets super big? So that's just kind of how kinky hair works. I noticed that as soon as it hits like the humidity, as soon as it hits some type of heat, it just really fluffs back up. Now, that's fine if you're okay with that look, but I want it to just be kind of sleek and tamed. So sorry I didn't curl this hair like I had every intention to, but I'm still going to tell you guys about this awesome wig. It's from one of my favorite hair companies, Wiggins Hair, and here is the packaging. Now, let me show you guys what they sent. Of course, this is their headband wig, so they did send me a couple of headbands. So this one that I have on, this yellow one with like some type of flowers on it, and then also this blue striped one, same thing as the white one that I have on, just different colors in it. And okay, I thought it was just 2, but it's actually 3-pack of wig caps, which I still wear wig caps with these type of wigs just because, like I mentioned in my previous headband wig video, the cap construction is very similar to like a synthetic wig, so I don't want any friction or anything pulling or getting caught on my braids. So that's why I do choose to wear wig cap underneath these type of wigs. And there's an elastic band in here, which you will not need it at all. And then look what they were nice enough to include, you guys. Like, this is so convenient, especially because I've been needing some more. This is a brush set. Can you guys see that? And these are the good kind of brushes. Like, I took them out and felt them, and they feel so soft. They kind of feel like my Morphe brushes that I have. So there's 9 actual makeup brushes and then like a little eyebrow spoolie in there, if you guys can see. And I think this is so cute. I'm gonna have to send them an email and tell them thank you for this, because I've been needing more makeup brushes and I can't wait to use these. That's all that came in the packaging, you guys. I don't know, it's just because of what's going on, or they're just kind of like want to make things more efficient, but nobody is sending hair, well, barely sending hair in the boxes still. They're all just putting it in the mailer and putting it in their drawstring bag, which I don't mind at all, because sometimes boxes take up space, especially if you don't plan on using them. They come up a little bit so you guys can see. So the density of this wig, you guys, is 180% density, and it's very, very full, as you guys can see. It's not a bad thing, it's just super full. Like it's a lot of hair, so that's why I opted to straighten it, just to kind of tame it down. And then as far as the length, you guys, I got this wig in 24 inches, but I kid you not, this hair is so long. Like, I have long arms, you guys can see. This hair, honestly, it looks like a 26 inch. I've been getting that lately with the wigs that I've been getting. They've been coming a little bit longer than they should, but hey, that's nothing to complain about. This is just one side of the hair. A 26 inch falls right here on my waist. This is 24 inches and it is extremely long. It was even long like this prior to me actually going in and straightening it. Of course, when you straighten hair, I feel like it gets just a couple inches longer, but this hair is super, super long. But this is a close-up of how well this hair matches with my hair. Now, my hair isn't straightened. It honestly just has nothing but edge control on it, and of course my braids underneath. And as you can see, from here to here, there's not much of a texture difference. That's why I could not wait to get my hands on a kinky straight wig like this. I think that this texture matches perfectly. It just looks like natural hair. I'm not gonna try on any of the other headbands just because I really like this one. It's my first time actually getting like a white headband. Yeah, it has a little bit of color in it, but for the most part, the majority of it is white, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and leave this one on. And you don't necessarily have to wear the ones with the elastic on it. You can still wear like the traditional headbands, like the ones that just go from ear to ear. You just, you know, want to wear it when the hair is down so you don't see the band in the back. But if you're pulling the hair up, then these elastic ones are actually really good for that purpose. Typically, the way that these hair companies are making these headband wigs is basically any texture that they already offer, they still offer it in the headband wig version. I honestly feel like the quality of this hair is so great. Like, the ends of the hair look very healthy. I didn't have to trim anything. They don't look scraggly. Like, the ends are perfect. The hair is perfect. The quality is great. The headband, they got it right with the band. They have enough Velcro for you to snap it and make it as tight as you need to without having too much of that extra strap of the headband hanging off. Okay, so that concludes this video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hopefully you guys go out and get one of your own. If you do end up getting this wig, please come back and tell me in the comment section how much you are loving it, because I know that there is nothing not to love about this wig. This wig is absolutely perfect. Check the description box because I will drop the direct link for you guys, and they had given me a coupon code on my last video that I did from them, because they did send me that unit from that video. So I double checked with them and the coupon code still works. So all I'm going to do is take it from underneath the description box of that video, pop it under this one, and you could still use it, you know. Okay, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.